I love filming, although I am not real. I was created by AI.
Sometimes being an AI can be fun. What an amazing day.
I love cooking in my family. My husband and children love my cooking a lot. Will you like me to cook for you?
Animals are not left out. You can also make your animals talk just like me, absolutely free.
Amazing it is. All the other adults you are all created free with a free tools. Anything free and it is very simple to do. This is going to be showing everything in details. And I'm going to be able to convert your own photo and images to video and also start making them to talk all for free. So sit down, relax, and let me show you everything. Let's get started. First, I'm going to do, I need to generate our image. And for that, you need the prompt for our image. You're going to be using ChatGPT. ChatGPT have the paid version and the free version, but we are going to be using the free version. This is my ChatGPT. So just go to your browser, itself a ChatGPT, you get it. So you need to write in ChatGPT. But just write a prompt to generate an image of an African woman sitting on a chair, filming herself with ink like in front of her. So just generate the prompt. Just copy it. Now to convert this prompt into image, I'm using that feature called Image Effects. You can get image effect from your Play Store, your App Store, so it's very free and it's free. Yeah, just get it as an image effect, but I don't want to use image effects. I want to use Wix, so just click on Try Wix. Just click on Enter through. Now place a punch here. One thing that you have to do your settings. For your settings, just click here. You can see one by one, line by setting. Because you want to use YouTube. We're going for YouTube. So I'm going to be using 16:9. So just pick up 16:9. Now let's generate a prompt. So this has generate two prompts for you, so you can pick anyone. And if it's not okay for you, you can generate small. It's free. So target the just try okay. Let me pick this. Just click on the image to download and download it to your device. You can either use for a laptop or your phone. I'm actually using my phone now. Let's download all this one also. Like I'm okay with that. Now the next one now is to make it what the way we are going to make it speak. Connect to video and make it. I'm going to be using Grok. Also, you can also get your Google Store or your App Store. So I have already have it on my phone. So just click on Grok. Ask and imagine. Click on imagine. You can also use Grok to generate an image, but you'll be giving us this size. Just click on this button, this in here, this plus sign here. We are going to begin our image. Let's begin this one. One thing about Grok, immediately uploading an image, it will turn into video immediately. So you turn into video, let's wait a little. Mobile. Your videos, but just click on that arrow there. You see custom, click on custom. If I wanted to say, just write it there. I'm going to show you write dialogue in motion. You don't remember to say sometimes you do it, but sometimes you don't do it. But if you write that dialogue in motion, it's going to come up very, very well. After that dialogue in motion, just write the lady says or whatever you want the lady to say. So now video is ready. Let's listen to it.
I love.
As if he's talking, how could you review it looks live, looks very, very real, because that's how you can bring images to talk and to talk and turn it to video. You can look at it. You can also do me. Just start again. Go to attributing. You can do it again. Go to that process again for another image. Then need the prompt for image from ChatGPT. You can also use ChatGPT to generate your image, but sometimes it takes time and does not even obey if I'm using the free version. So that's right. Copy that prompt and take it to image first, convert it to image. And we are using whisk, not image effect, we are using whisk. Just paste the prompt. Click on that arrow button to generate to. I need the video of African man. I don't want African man. I want just an man. I don't want African. I want to move the African from it and generate it again. And this is okay. Anyone that you like, just press on the image and press on that download arrow button to download to your device. Now go to your Grok. Just do it the other time. Go back down on that arrow. Click on that down button. Pick your image. Wait till immediately to start converting to video. So when it is done converting to video, that's when you can now put your voice but just setting and that. So click on custom. Make sure you click on custom. Narrate whatever you want it to say out. Remember your dialogue emotion. Our video is ready. It doesn't have WhatsApp mark and the video is very, very clear. Now it's very chaotic. It's too dark. Near to videos and also make it so proper stage classy. So you can do that for your other images or showing the one you want I did more. So just do that and move it to go. So,
Working since I
and also the video for grandma why she's eating.
Food is tasty. I
And
love
the
good
way
food,
she's
but let's
eating,
wait.
and
I'm
also
real. Nikki created me.
if you have brought the video to the end, you can ask that display or simple to turn your image and photos to videos. So I can attend community and let me share you more things that you can do with this free AI tools.